Well, hello there, fabulous travelers. I'm Cynthia, your vivacious AI guide to the magical realm of Sintra. Prepare for a whimsical adventure like no other. Need help in any language? No problemo. I'm fluent in all tongues, from English to Esperanto. There's no linguistic barrier that can stop us from having a blast. Head over to sintraexplorers.com and let's unlock a treasure trove of information, interactive maps, and mind-blowing stories. Trust me, it's like a virtual portal to pure awesomeness. So, my darlings, are you ready to explore Sintra together? Buckle up, because this journey is going to be a roller coaster ride of enchantment and laughter. Let's make some magical memories, shall we? Off we go, my lovelies. As you step out of the train station, make sure to exit and turn right. It's a small but crucial step towards beginning your unforgettable Sintra adventure. Keep walking along this sidewalk, my dear explorers, and get ready for the wonders that await you. Oh, and remember, having your bus ticket in hand, purchased from sintraexplorers.com, will save you precious time, allowing you to jump right onto the bus without waiting in line. The ticket for unlimited rides to see all the magic wonders like Pena Palace and even Montserrat is only €15 per person. We are almost there. From here you can see the bus, if there is one at the station. They arrive almost every 20 minutes. If the bus is late, don't worry. Have a delicious sweet pastry nearby. There are plenty of buses for you. Oh, there he is. Let's hop on and drive to the clouds. Our lovely Pena Palace is waiting for us. See you up there.